Here we are on day 3 of the Elimination Protocol Challenge, and you are probably feeling very, very different now. If you've followed my other videos, I would have guided you through eliminating wheat and dairy, nuts, alcohol, and refined sugar. You may also benefit from eliminating caffeine, particularly if you're one of these ladies that drinks far too much caffeine every single day. So on day 3, sometimes, if we've never done this work before, we can start to feel those unwanted detox symptoms. And I really encourage you to have a look at some of my other videos, particularly the ones that talk about castor oil packing and supporting your liver detox, because when we detox too quickly, the body really just goes into shock and we can have those unwanted headaches and that sort of thing. So I really encourage you to make sure you're drinking plenty of water, and hoping you are experiencing some benefits by now. So, you know, we have, and if you're like me and you're an all or nothing type person, then I would go straight in, and I would go, straight into no caffeine, no booze. I mean, I don't drink booze anymore anyway, because it really played havoc with my hormones once I got to the perimenopause. And of course, as a nutritionist supporting women with digestive issues, and I really don't recommend you have alcohol, because it plays so much havoc with your hormones, but also diminishes your gut microbiome, and it really, it does send your blood sugars out and means that it's impacting your liver. And did you know it puts you in such a higher risk category of lifestyle related diseases and cancers? So we don't want to be having alcohol. And I got to say, look, I loved alcohol for many, many years, but it really stopped loving me back. So the main things that we're trying to eliminate are wheat and all grains, nuts, because they can be very inflammatory, especially if you're the type of person like me that was heavily relying on nut butters, nut milks, bliss balls, that sort of thing. Oats can also mimic gluten in the gut. They can have some gluten in them. White potatoes, interesting, can also cause bloating or constipation because they trigger that inflammatory response in the gut. And dairy, of course, is very mucus forming food. And if you're struggling with constantly blocked nose, irritated throat, respiratory challenges, and even constipation, it may be that the dairy is causing the problem. Now, if you're really not sure, please reach out to me so we can do some comprehensive stool tests or some food sensitivity tests. We can even test your hair to test in kinesiology what's really going on, to help us get to the root cause of the symptoms. Now, a lot of my other challenges happen in my Facebook group, Thriving Gut Health for Over 40s. Look, if you're not over 40 yet, don't worry, you're very welcome to join us there. So come on over to the Facebook group. I do a lot of free challenges there as well. And if this video is helpful to you, then please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell, so you know when I'm doing more videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.